As some of you know, we completed our house in the village. Finally, our 1 year, 1 block house is ready. Yay! But before moving in, there's still a lot of work to be done to make this house habitable. The industrial post-construction cleaning has been done professionally. In fact, they were still cleaning some of the rooms when we got home for Christmas. But before we move in, we still need to clean everywhere again for dust because this is the dry season in Nigeria, specifically the Harmattan season. Harmattan is dry and windy weather inside the dry season, so it gets very dusty at this time of the year. I went to the market to buy cleaning supplies. Look at me chilling in my keke on my way back. Fun times. If you have been following the progress of the house on my Flow Finance channel, you know that we have not yet sunk a borehole here. So we got the water tanker to fill up the tanks. Got the beds ready.
Wait, just 3 kilos. So let's enjoy. It's too hard. Ollie, come and test this bread and tell us. No, it tastes bad. It's too hard. Please, let her come and test it. Is this from good or bad? It's not too bad, no. For you. Because in Spain, they're soft. In Spain, the bed is soft, no? You're used to soft one. En España, wow. Que se inunda, o sea, es así, me dijo mi tía. ¿Qué es esto? No sé, es una piedra.
Es como una piedra.
No,
it's like a rock.
It's too hard, this thing, eh?
It's too hard.
The video is okay, but it's a stone.
It's a stone.
Se cae y se rompe el cráneo.
Se rompe el cráneo.
Yeah.
Now they say that the foam is too hard, like a rock. Like if somebody falls on it, the person's skull will break. The person's skull will break. Look at the room. One room ready. Not really ready because the floor is still dusty. You need to mop it.
And the bathroom is very, very
It's very, very dirty. Yeah, the Oga that is responsible for cleaning industrially will clean the bathroom. This is my happy dance when I finish dressing the bed of one room. Then we got this very meticulous guy to install the curtains. I was his helper because, this is the Christmas season, so it's difficult to find people that are ready to work at this time. Most people are already in merriment mode, hence he did not have a helper. I was the one giving him whatever he needed, from the drill to the nails to the curtains to the accessories. I was on my 2 feet the whole day, and at the end of the day, It felt like I was standing on my bare bones. Chayo, I tell you, in spite of all the Christmas enjoyment, this was a working holiday for me. I thought I was done with work at this house. The guy is good. He's so meticulous. I was even the one telling him, Oga, leave it, oh. Stop counting the folds, so Abina gathers. We will soon push the curtains to one side anyway, but he was like, Madam, leave me. I want to showcase my work first. I know you people will still scatter it. Ebe kebi na arugasi. Oso na mgbamgba ki na elu Onisha. Ma Lagos. I'll put his number below in case you need someone to install your curtains for you. Here I was measuring each curtain to match them up with the correct window. Yeah. Oga was not spared in the ready-to-move-in work. As an OCD meticulous man that he is, he would mop each room 20 times before being satisfied. I dragged him out to connect the gas cylinder. Time to test it.
All right. Auntie, you buy Omo?
There should be Omo there. There was no Omo here yesterday.
I think they finished you guys yesterday.
Is there no Omo upstairs? What you looking?
Okay, I didn't know.
All of them are on. Functioning.
Maxi, I didn't care on Lagos.
Yeah. Oh, Maxi. And I carry the. All the same size, 90 cm.
Okay.
I need to. This thing is not good like this. I need to build something to elevate it so that it will be the same level. If not, when I'm cooking here, the heat will be going this way. It's not good. So for now, I'll be using the central one to cook. So it's working.
It's working.
Now my kitchen is ready to be used.
Yeah.
The laundry room is not even ready. Look at the walls have not been painted. Yeah, but we need to do some washing. And before I use the washing machine for the first time, I need to remove the transit bolts. You see this thing? This thing. 4 of them. This one. And this one. I think I'll have to look at the manual. The job of the transit bolt is to keep the drum of the washing machine from moving around when it's in transit, as the name says, transit bolt. That means that when you want to transport this washing machine, you need to put the bolts back again so that the drums are not moving. But the one thing I found with Nigerian, is it plumbers or whoever installs these washing machines, is that they don't remove these transit bolts. It's just like my plumber Kazim. He told me, Madam, we finished connecting, we finished installing. If you don't know about these transit bolts, you just come and start washing. It will destroy your washing machine. In fact, this is the reason why when you start washing, in the washing machine for the first time or for subsequent times, as long as you haven't removed the transit bolt, the washing machine will be moving around, like it will be crawling all over the room. You can't catch it. That thing will destroy your washing machine if you don't do that, if you don't remove the bolt, because what the bolt does is to hold the drum in place, and when you're washing, the drum is moving, so the thing gets your washing machine. You know, when you buy your washing machine abroad and they install it, they do all these things for you, and in Nigeria they just don't. Even I know it's in the manual, but those that sell washing machines should educate people, because I remember this happening to one of my friends as well. They told her to build something to hold the washing machine, but no, it's not because of that. It's because they didn't remove the transit bolt, and as soon as she removed that, so that's what I'm going to do this morning. Today is New Year's Day, and I started it with walking. I thought this Christmas would be enjoyment for me. Happy New Year, everyone. Yeah, we're starting the year with hard work that my contractors did not do. I thought I finished everything with walking. So anyway, let's get into that, because we need to wash clothes. We don't have any more clothes left. My children have worn all their clothes, and you know it's quite dusty here as well, so it's wear once, wash it. There's nothing like repeating. Yeah, so we start with RTFM. Read the effing manual. So unpacking, packing, and all transit bolts must be removed before using the washer. Must be removed. This is the washer base packing, so remove all these things. I asked our painter is still here, so they helped me remove that white padding at the bottom. Some people use it as padding for their washing machine. It's not really good, because the washing machine needs to breathe from the base, so you have to remove all that. And then there's something called packing support, depending on the model, should be removed as well. So I've taken out everything that needs to be taken out from ours, and then using the transit bolt spanner supplied, yeah, they supply that for you. Using that, you remove, unscrew the rear transit bolts. If they are not removed, it may cause heavy vibration. This is not even a matter of may. It causes heavy vibration that your washing machine will be acting like it's possessed. Yeah, a lot of Nigerians will say that. It's possessed. Heavy vibration, noise, and malfunction. Yes, it's going to destroy your... So they told you that there are 4 of them, and like I showed you behind, there are 4 of them, and they provided 4 caps for them. So you basically remove those bolts and replace with these 4 caps. So everywhere I see this bolt, I'm going to remove them, all of them. So you see, transit bolt, transit. So this is a model of mine: transit bolt 4, and then replace with caps. So see this big thing, that's what you're supposed to remove. So time to put this washing machine to the test. LG washing machines have this quick 30 wash cycle that does the washing in 30 minutes. But for it to do a good job with that cycle, the clothes should not be that dirty. So you either soak the very dirty ones beforehand, or you just wash and pick out the ones that were not washed very well and wash them by hand or something. It's waiting for all the clothes to get wet. If all the clothes don't get wet, it won't start washing. Anyway, let's wait for it to wash. It will wash everything in 30 minutes. That's what that setting is. This washing machine is very quiet. This is not my first LG washing machine, so I already know what to expect from their product. I love LG washing machines. It did a great job, and now we have fresh clothes to move into the house with. Guys, don't worry, a house tour is coming. How can I not give you guys a tour of our house? Now all of us get this house now. This house that was built on the internet in the public of Igwemadu. So stay tuned for that, okay? Bye bye. See